In this video, I'll be showing you how to use OBS virtual camera in Discord. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, using the OBS virtual camera in Discord is the standard way to share high quality scenes, overlays, and multiple video sources without needing a screen share. So what you're going to do is firstly, you're going to push the video feed out of OBS before Discord can see it as a valid device. So firstly, go ahead and open up your OBS studio. Then set up your scene. So add your webcam, overlays, or game capture, add anything you want basically. Now in the controls panel, which is in the bottom right corner, which is right here, all you want to do is go ahead and click start virtual camera like so. And now it's going to automatically be on right from the get-go. And now all you want to go ahead and do is literally just, if you click the settings icon next to it, you can choose what you want it to be. So you can have it be a preview or a scene, anything like that. So you can have it be a source if you want to as well. So let's just do source, and then you can choose exactly what you want it to be. Or what we could do is we can have it be a scene, like something very specific. So let's say I wanted to share this one right here, and it says this virtual camera will be restarted to apply this change. Go ahead and press yes, and now the virtual camera is on. Now what I want to do is open up my Discord application, and then I want to go over to the settings icon. So go ahead and click on that. Then go over to voice and video, which is going to be in app settings right there. Now, all I want to go ahead and do is instead of camera, I want to use OBS virtual camera like so. And then that's it. Anytime you go in a call, you'll be able to use it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.